Salesforce is a leading customer relationship management (CRM) platform and cloud-based software company. It provides a suite of tools and services designed to help businesses manage and automate their sales, marketing, customer service, and other related processes. Salesforce is known for its flexibility and scalability, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Key components and features of Salesforce include Sales Cloud. This module helps organizations manage their sales processes, track leads, opportunities, and customer interactions. It includes tools for contact management, opportunity management, forecasting, and analytics to improve sales performance. Service Cloud. Service Cloud focuses on customer support and service management. It includes features for case management, knowledge base creation, live chat, and customer self-service portals. Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is designed for marketing automation, email marketing, social media management, and analytics. It helps businesses create targeted marketing campaigns and track their effectiveness. Commerce Cloud. This module is for e-commerce businesses, providing tools for building and managing online stores, handling customer transactions, and optimizing the online shopping experience. Community Cloud. Community Cloud enables companies to build online communities or portals for their customers, partners, or employees. It fosters collaboration, engagement, and self-service within these communities. Analytics Cloud. Salesforce offers analytics tools for data visualization and business intelligence. Users can create interactive dashboards and reports to gain insights into their data. IoT Cloud. Salesforce's Internet of Things (IoT) platform allows businesses to connect and manage IoT devices and use the data generated by these devices for various purposes, including customer engagement and predictive maintenance. Heroku. Heroku is a platform as a service (PaaS) offering that allows developers to build, deploy, and scale applications in multiple programming languages. Salesforce AppExchange. This is an online marketplace where third-party developers can offer and sell applications and integrations that extend Salesforce's functionality. Salesforce is known for its cloud-based, software-as-a-service (SaaS) delivery model, which means that users can access its services and tools over the internet without the need to install or maintain on-premises software. The platform is highly customizable, and businesses often tailor it to meet their specific needs through custom development or by using the AppExchange to add pre-built extensions. Salesforce has played a significant role in transforming the way organizations manage customer relationships and has become a central tool for many businesses to drive sales, enhance customer service, and streamline their operations. Example of how Salesforce might be used by a fictional company called Tech Solutions Incorporated to manage its sales and customer relationships. Tech Solutions Incorporated. Salesforce Use Case. Lead Management. Tech Solutions Incorporated collects leads from various sources, such as website forms, trade shows, and marketing campaigns. These leads are entered into Salesforce, where they are categorized and assigned to the appropriate sales representatives based on factors like location and product interest. Opportunity Tracking. When a lead shows genuine interest and potential, it is converted into an opportunity in Salesforce. Sales representatives use Salesforce's Sales Cloud to manage and track the progress of these opportunities. They record information about the prospect's needs, the products or services they are interested in, and the estimated deal value. Customer Engagement. Salesforce's Marketing Cloud is used to send targeted email campaigns to nurture leads and keep them engaged. Automated email sequences are set up to send relevant content and information to prospects based on their interactions and interests. Account Management. Salesforce allows Tech Solutions Incorporated to create detailed profiles for each customer account. Sales representatives can view the history of interactions, past purchases, and customer preferences to provide personalized service. Sales Forecasting. Tech Solutions Incorporated uses Salesforce's reporting and analytics capabilities to generate sales forecasts. They can track the progress of opportunities, monitor sales pipelines, and make informed decisions based on real-time data. Customer Support. The Service Cloud within Salesforce helps Tech Solutions Incorporated provide customer support. Support agents can create and manage cases, log customer inquiries, and track the resolution of issues. Collaboration. Salesforce's Community Cloud is used to create a customer portal where clients can access resources, submit support tickets, and engage with the company. Tech Solutions Incorporated also collaborates internally through Chatter, Salesforce's enterprise social network. Integration. Tech Solutions Incorporated integrates Salesforce with other systems such as their ERP, enterprise resource planning, software to ensure seamless order processing and inventory management. Mobile access. Sales representatives and support agents can access Salesforce on mobile devices while on the go, enabling them to update records, check customer details, and stay connected with clients. AppExchange Extensions. Tech Solutions Incorporated has installed third-party apps from Salesforce's AppExchange to extend functionality. For instance, they use a data enrichment tool to automatically update lead and contact information. By utilizing Salesforce, Tech Solutions Incorporated can efficiently manage its sales processes, deliver excellent customer service, and make data-driven decisions to grow its business. The flexibility and scalability of Salesforce allow the company to adapt and expand its CRM capabilities as needed. Salesforce, like any software platform, has its advantages and disadvantages. Here's an overview of some of the key pros and cons of using Salesforce. Advantages of Salesforce. Comprehensive CRM. Salesforce offers a comprehensive suite of CRM tools that cover sales, marketing, customer service, and more. This makes it a one-stop solution for managing customer relationships and business processes. Cloud-based. Salesforce is a cloud-based platform, which means users can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the need for on-premises hardware and simplifies software updates and maintenance. Scalability. Salesforce is highly scalable, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises. You can add or remove users and customize features to match your business's growth. Customization. Salesforce is highly customizable. Users can tailor the platform to their specific needs through custom fields, objects, workflows, and automation. AppExchange. The Salesforce AppExchange is an extensive marketplace for third-party apps and integrations. It allows you to extend Salesforce's functionality with a wide range of pre-built solutions. Analytics and reporting. Salesforce offers powerful analytics and reporting tools that enable users to gain insights from their data and make data-driven decisions. Community and support. Salesforce has a large and active community of users and developers, providing access to a wealth of resources, forums, and support. Mobile accessibility. Salesforce provides mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices, enabling users to work on the go. Disadvantages of Salesforce. Cost. Salesforce can be relatively expensive, especially for small businesses or startups. Licensing costs, customization, and add-ons can add up quickly. Learning curve. While Salesforce is user-friendly, it can have a steep learning curve, especially for users who are new to CRM software or complex business processes. Complexity. For larger organizations with complex processes, the customization options can become overwhelming. Without proper planning, it's easy to create a system that is overly complex. Data storage limits. Salesforce imposes data storage limits based on your subscription plan, and exceeding these limits can result in additional costs. Integration challenges. While Salesforce offers robust integration capabilities, integrating it with other systems can sometimes be challenging, particularly if you have legacy systems in place. Vendor lock-in. Moving away from Salesforce can be difficult due to the platform's complexity and the data stored within it. This can create a sense of vendor lock-in for some organizations. Security concerns. Although Salesforce has robust security measures in place, organizations are still responsible for managing their data security within the platform. Support costs. While Salesforce provides support, some users may find that premium support can be costly. In conclusion, Salesforce is a powerful CRM platform with many advantages, but it may not be the ideal choice for every organization. The decision to use Salesforce should be based on your specific business needs, budget, and willingness to invest time in learning and customization. It's essential to carefully assess both the advantages and disadvantages before committing to Salesforce or any CRM system.